Find the equation of the tangent line to the function given. So we need to use the product rule. So the first thing we're going to do is separate our functions. So I'm going to use f of x is 8x5 plus 6x2 minus 4x to the half, and g of x 6x to the 4 plus 2x cubed minus 10x to the 3 over 2. Okay, so now I'm going to take the derivative. So I'm going to differentiate both of these terms. So the first one, 5 8 40. 5 minus 1 is 4. So that's 40x to the 4 plus 12x. So minus, we've got minus half of 4 is going to be 2x. And then this is going to be to the minus a half. And then our g of x, so this is going to be 24 x cubed plus 6x squared. And then this will be 30 divided by 2 is 15, so it's going to be minus 15x. 3 over 2 minus 1 is going to leave us with power of a half. Okay, so now we've differentiated. So the product rule. So to find our derivative of h, so we're going to multiply. So we're going to take the derivative, the derivative of f, and we're going to multiply this with g of x. Getting messed by here. So g of x, and then we're going to add this to f multiplied by the derivative of g. So actually, let's get rid of that extra bracket there, and then we will simplify. So let's have a look. So the first thing I need to do is write in all our we have. So the derivatives, we're going to have 40x to the 4 plus 12x minus 2x to the minus a half. And this is going to be multiplied by 6x to the 4 plus 2x cubed minus 10x to the 3 over 2. So let's just move this up. So we have some space. Make it a bit smaller. And we're going to add this. So we need our f of x. So this is 8x to the 5 plus 6x squared minus 4x to the half. And this is multiplied by, let's actually move it all. Okay, so we're going to multiply this by our derivative of g, so 24x cubed plus 6x squared minus 15x to the half. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is multiply out our first two brackets. So, well, no, because we're finding the equation of a tangent line and we want it at x is equal to 1. So instead of all our x's here, we're just going to substitute in the value for 1. So it's replace all our x's with 1s. So 40 multiplied by 1 to the power of 4 is going to be 40. 12 times 1 is 12. 1 to the power of negative a half is 1, so that's minus 2. And the second bracket, 1 to the power of 4 is 1. 6 times that is 6. 1 cubed is 1, 2 times 1 is 2. 1 to the root of 1 is 1, 1 cubed is 3, so that's minus 10. And then we have, oops, that's a plus. So we have a plus, and then we have 8 times 1 to the 5, so that's 8. 1 squared is just 1 plus 6. So the square root of 1 is 1, so that's just minus 4. Then we have 24 multiplied by 1 cubed, so that's 24. So 1 squared is just 1 plus 6, so that's plus 6. The root of 1 is just 1, so that's minus 15. So let's simplify. So 42 minus plus thing is 52, so that's just going to be 50. And then we have 8 minus 10, so that's going to be minus 2. And we have 14 minus 4 is 10. And 30 minus 15 is 15. So we have minus 100 plus 150. So h over x is going to be 50. So this is going to be our slope of m, because we found the derivative. So we now need to find the equation of a line. So what do we know? So in the question, x is 1. So we've got m is 50. So we've got x is 1. We need to find our y value. So to find the y value, we need to put 1 into our original function, h of x. So if we substitute 1 for all our values, so let's just have a look at that. So we've got 8 times 1 to the power of 5 is just going to be 1 times 8, so that's 8. Then we've got 6 times 1, which is 6, so that's 14. 14 minus 4, so that's 10. So we're going to have 10 multiplied by 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 minus 10 is minus 2. So this is going to be minus 2. So this is going to be minus 20. So 10 minus 2, so this is going to be minus 20. And if we write we have y is equal to, so this is in the format of x minus x1 or x minus a, however you want to write it, plus b, or we could write it as y minus y1 is equal to mx minus a, where is a, or a is equal to 1. So let's write it like this a second. So y, and we got minus 20 equals 50x minus 1. So this is going to be y plus 20 is 50x minus 1. So if you need it in that format, you've got it there. Or you may be asked to write it as 50x minus 1 minus 20.